Hey everybody, Shane here. Thought I'd do something a little different today, a little run and gun, a little walk and talk. And, we'll talk about the end of 2022 here, talk a little about 2023, and stay for the end. We'll do a little rant, come for the jokes and information, stay for the rant. Down here in sunny Palm Springs, downtown, brisk morning. If you're particularly religious, it is Christmas Eve, or I should say Christmas Day, day before Christmas. And we're just gonna come check some things out and give a little tour of what's going on. So we're across from the museum, Palm Springs Art Museum. Was just here for a ballet performance. You can see like a little art out front here. The museum itself. And looks like a little bike tour is getting ready to get set up there. Looking pretty cool. So let's go down here and check some things out while we can. Let's see what's going on. Their art installation here. Come at night. The floor is, the ground is definitely lava if you come at night. Much easier to see. But yeah, so 2022, kind of crazy. Certainly getting on the back end of that, which is nice for everybody. And I wrote in a previous newsletter, if you don't get that newsletter, link down below to subscribe, that, now's the time for resolutions and stuff. And, the best way to do that is going to be, there you go, there's your floor is lava. Best way to do that is going to be, start early. Start those resolutions now. I'm out here getting my steps in. The big plan for 2023 is get healthy, get fit, that kind of thing. So, you come and get, you do your thing. Hey, big truck. All right. Now's a great time to kind of put some of that stuff into practice. And don't make it about just a resolution, but make it about a process thing that you're gonna do. So beautiful mountain views right there. But I think everybody's gonna be happy that 2022 is behind us and are looking forward to 2023. Now, certainly, what do we think is gonna happen? Well, it's likely, based on the latest information that's coming out from the Fed and stuff, that, we're still going to have a little bit, we're going to have the hikes that they talked about. Probably not as long as they've talked about it, at least the way that the trends are going. So I would expect, we're going to see another quarter-point hike coming up, probably followed by another quarter-point hike after that. And then we might see some easing, which would be nice, I think, for everybody. But again, I'm gonna share this with you because I want you to be the best prepared you can possibly be. And I'm not about the panic peddling, not about the chaos cowboying, all that stuff like that. I just want to give you some good information, and I want you to be safe for 2023. And that's this. It's now's the time to shore up the job. Now's the time to make sure that you got your ducks in a row. Now's the time to make sure that your family and loved ones are safe and secure, because it could get challenging out there. So, now's the time to make sure that you've got all that stuff taken care of. Because we know that the Fed wants to see, they don't want to see higher unemployment. They want to see much, much, much lower demand for employment. So you can expect all their policies to kind of encourage that. There we go. Hello there, One Piece. Piece, love you. So now's the time to kind of get everything in order, especially going into 2023. So have a good time with the family, have a good time with the loved ones, have a super duper nice holiday, and then batten down the hatches. I think that's going to be the plan, is turtle up. Get your ducks in a row and be prepared. Little downtown Palm Springs view here. kind of a lazy morning, not a lot going on. So, I think we're gonna have a reasonable 2023. At least we're gonna see interest rates come down, certainly. We're gonna see the gap between employment and employment demand shrink. We're still gonna see housing prices come down. I mean, those are lagging indicators, so we should expect to see that happen. As of course, demand will go down. When demand goes down, prices will start to go down. Prices start to go down, things will get more affordable. We should see interest rates move a little bit and get back to maybe what we consider more of a normal market. So that's the prediction. Now, on to the rant. And let me tell you, you're going to see a lot of this in 2023. You've seen a lot of this now, but it's the panic peddlers, right? It's the chaos cowboys. It's the people out there that share and spread this doom and gloom all over the place. And the ironic part is they're going to tell you that the sky's falling, and then the very next thing they're going to tell you is to go buy gold, right? Or go talk to their financial advisor or whatever remedy they feel. Just drives me nuts. Absolutely nuts. So that's how to tell, right? If you've got somebody that's out there spouting that the sky is falling, and then the very next second they're pitching you on their gold or call their financial advisor, that's bad news, right? That's the guy that's at the bar that hands you that one extra beer that you don't need, right? That riles up the crowd. It's crazy making, and I don't think you need that, right? We don't need that for 2023. We need level heads, right? We don't need crazy fans. And unfortunately, that's what sells ads. That's the clickbait and the madness. Nobody wants any of that. You need someone who's going to give you good, honest information. Like a friend. Unbiased as possible, right? And these videos, not sponsored, right? We're not sponsored. We have a little newsletter that comes out once a week, but that's just me. So if you haven't already subscribed, hey, sign up for that. But again, we want to give you good, unbiased information so that you can make your own decisions, right? We're like helping you be the coach, okay? Not the rowdy fan in the stands. Right? We want you to be able to make good decisions. Another view of downtown Palm Springs here. So that's going to be the plan for 2023. And that's my commitment to you, is bring you more good, unbiased information so that you can make good decisions, right? Not panic peddling, not chaos cowboying, right? We're not going to stick our heads in the sand, okay? Because that's the flip side. That's even worse. But you're going to be uniquely prepared to make good decisions in 2023 for whatever it is that you're going to be doing. Obviously, we're going to talk from a housing and a finance market perspective, but it goes across the board. But that's my promise to you as we go into 2023 and we talk about resolutions and doing things right, is to provide you as much good information as we possibly can. So, lazy morning. Oh, we are very, very dog friendly here in Palm Springs. So if you've got a four-legged family member, you are more than welcome here. In fact, you'll see a lot of restaurants and establishments will put out water and dog food for our furry family. So come to the desert. Good morning. We would love to have you. All right. A little walk of fame here. So, anyway, that's the word. And again, hopefully you like this, a little different, kind of getting you out and about. I know it's choppy and you know, bumpy and stuff like that. So we'll work on that stuff. But in the meantime, have a very happy and safe holiday. Spend some good time with your loved ones. And we're going to see you in 2023. And we're going to make sure that you're positioned to have a great 2023, no matter what is going on out there. Let's make sure that you're going to have a good 2023. So, all right. Signing off. Sunny Palm Springs, California. Take care, everybody.